Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious beef rolls. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of thinly sliced beef, like sirloin or flank steak, cut against the grain. Next, prepare your chosen fillings, such as crisp carrot sticks or tender green beans. Don't forget a flavorful marinade, perhaps soy sauce-based, and some toothpicks to hold everything together during cooking. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic meal. Now, let's get the beef ready. Slice your beef into pieces roughly 3 to 4 inches wide and about 1/4 inch thick. Place these slices in a shallow dish and pour over your marinade. A great marinade can be a mix of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or even up to 2 hours for deeper flavor. Remember to pat the beef dry before rolling. Time to assemble our beef rolls. Lay a marinated beef slice flat on a clean surface. Place a few pieces of your prepared vegetables, like carrot sticks or green beans, at one end of the beef slice. Carefully and tightly roll the beef over the vegetables, creating a compact cylinder. Secure each roll with a toothpick or a small piece of kitchen twine to prevent unraveling during cooking. Continue this process until all your beef and fillings are used up. Finally, let's cook these delicious beef rolls. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Carefully place the beef rolls in the hot pan and sear them on all sides until beautifully browned, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Reduce the heat and continue cooking until the beef is tender and cooked through. Remove any toothpicks before serving. These rolls are fantastic served hot with steamed rice or a crisp green salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.